Just started work on some of the new Into the Darkness pieces. I've took me about 2 days to prep and sand everything, and now I'm starting to do a test piece. Just pin washed everything, so it's all got to be cleaned. This will probably fall apart now when I move it, so I've kept the door off so far. It's a really nice kit there. It's supposed to be a Space Hulk. Interior. Sorry about that. I said I've just putted it up a bit with some surface putty. It's quite a smooth model. And then I've just, as I said, hit it up with some nice primer. And for my reference, I just looked at ship pictures, battleships. I didn't think they'd paint it black. And even in the future, you're going to want to see what the fuck you're doing. So you're going to paint something a light colour, aren't you? Anyways, I'll kind of carry on doing some of these, but I'll probably introduce some of that colour as well, and some more of the eggshell blues. Sorry about wobbly cam. Anyways, catch you later.